Okay, we again have this 15 minutes, and in this moment we have this task. We have a string, and we must find the longest substring what have two kind of characters. For example, here it's E, C, and E. It will be the longest. Here, for example, we have BA and here we have, of course, CCAA. It's length 4, but AABB it have a length big 5. Yeah, and let's try. Let's just try to think. Okay, we have string, and I don't see what we are going to what we're going to return if have, for example, empty string or or less than two kind of, for example, only what consists only with E, C, and only with one character, and yeah. But if okay. 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 Let's guess that we always have at least two kind of character, and our len is at last two. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And I start from what is easy for me. For E in range in range len our s, what we do, and let's our count at first equal our count of different two or not two, yeah. Like, yeah. And also we counts type. Yeah, I mean it's mean how many kinds of type we have now in our let it will be one, and our character type will be equal, will be equal as 0, and next one we have character type, and next one, and our max count, max len okay. If we imagine that now our situation that we okay, letters will be 0, but it looks like in situation when we have two kind and two lengths, it's our smaller situation. In this case it's okay to put here 2, for example. Yeah. And what we do, we say if as for me it looks like it will be useful to make this dict of our characters. I think it will be useful, and in this case we don't need to even max length, and we just can to cheat dict and make this length, or even we made to make we made to make dict such a way. For example, later, first when we meet it first, our index, and also we can max index, and when we meet it first, and our right, our for example, we made to do something like this. It will be a time complexity one len in this case, maybe plus one. Yeah. For example, we have situation. We have letter A, and we have okay, in space complexity it will be a little bit difficult, and in this situation we can say that dict, and we have count, not count, we don't need count, we need only our left, for example 0, it's example. Yeah, and also we have rigged, it will be, for example, 10. And in this situation, for example, in this situation, but we have only 2, yeah, only two. How we made to understand we have in this area only 2, only 2. Okay, okay, I will be thinking about this. Yeah. We made to create this dict, and in same case to check we have now our dict is len 2 or bigger or smaller, and only in case when our dict is we can to check in this moment, yeah, left chin, and our last, and our rigged. In this case we also say, for example, it can be sorry, it can be, for example, it's 2 and it's equal, maybe right, it also can be equal 3, and in this situation we have that our minimum from left and right position, we have left of our E, and in this situation we have that our max also in the letter A, and that because its len has because length of this dict 2, that means it's okay for our conditions, and also we have this different, we have this different between these indexes, between this index is 10 and plus 1, it will be our answer. We can return of this. Yeah, and we can to make this. Yeah, and in this situation it's look like our dict equal that we have s of our 0, and it will be equal of our left equal left equal 0 and rechts equal, but I'm not sure it's okay to make. It looks like we must to do like this. Yeah, and also is 0 0, and in this case we don't need this, and counts type and we understand that our max len now is len of our dict O1. It's because we don't need to increase our time complexity. Okay, we understand that. Sorry, but our now our max len is 1, but it's okay. Let's create our dict and sorry, but len. It's len all for our must be 2. Okay. If and it looks like not from 1 but from 2 len s, because we have this one, and we can to say that our chapter we just add this, but it will be not 0, but it's not index our left our right. In this situation we must to ask what will be our left. For example, if okay, if if e sorry s e equal, but it looks like we going to check if it's no, it's not equal, but if it's if in previous if s e in s what's before, let's we start from 0 to e, no, from e, for example, we know it's 2. If e equal, okay, if e equal 1, it's from 1, yeah, to 1, yeah. In s we say that for example left will be equal left will be equal e. I see that here difficulty because we must to change e our start okay, it must be while e and change our left and right. Yeah, okay. If and before this we must to increase it must be while s in e, it must be added our vocabulary, and after this we still must go in. Yeah, I feel limited of our time. Yeah, we have 10 seconds. Okay, if left will be equal e. Left will be still equal not e but 0 in 0 0 in such a case, but start. Maybe I need to start from 0 to okay, it will be still here. In other case of them, also if we have someone a new neighbor, we are going to say that our left inside but we also can do this by the other way. For example, I see the easiest way. We may to just make like this, not left, but it's enough to make count, because we can to make not length but sum. We can to say that we have, for example, S0 and it will be count, only count. I want to do other way, only count, not without left, without right, only count, and then we create sum and it will be enough.